What's up, YouTube? It's the Brubeck channel here, and today we're going to be looking at my Ford F-150 1993 4.9 liter XL. And we're trying to get the spare tire off because I'm going to eventually change the fuel pump and the rear fuel pump, and so I need to remove the back tire. Alright, so here's what I'm dealing with. So this is the tire right here. It's kind of just hanging there by this bracket right here, or whatever it's called. And what I need to do, according to the 1994 manual, because I don't have the 1993 manual, I lost it, but I have a 1994 manual, I need to take something to put in there. You see that little hole right there? So I'm going to take like a flathead. Supposedly you put that in there and you push up, while at the same time you take like a wrench or something that fits around this thing and kind of pull it to the end. I actually find that a flathead screwdriver, you kind of like moves it real nice like that. So you just kind of see how it's moving. I get it to move. See, I got it to move just by putting the flathead screwdriver right there, and then see, look, I'll put it this way, moves that way. So if I go that way, it moves. But see, it's stuck on that lip right here, right there. It's stuck on that lip. So I think that's where you have to stick this in right here, and there's a little segue right here, and push up, and then you can pull that thing out. So I'm going to try that, and I'm going to get back to you. Alright, so I found that if you push up with your hand like this, it kind of goes up a little bit. You see that? You see how it went up? So I'm going to try and do that. Let's see if I can do it. Almost there. What have you been doing on this thing? Alright, I almost got it. I almost have it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray that puppy up with some PB Blaster. Alright, it's starting to rain, but okay, so I got the PB Blaster. I'm just going to light that baby up with PB Blaster. Let it soak. Don't use too much of it because, you know, it's not free. We're going to try again, see if we can get this bad boy. What the heck? What's going on? Why didn't the PB Blaster work? Come on. It is not coming out for the life of me. Oh, brother. Let's see if I can get some of that PB Blaster up in there. Let's see. Oh, I just hit my head on the hitch. Whatever. Alright. Man. I just noggin my health. Ooh. Whatever. I'll see you back. I'll let that PB Blaster suck. I'll try it again. Alright, guys. I got the tire down. I had to switch to a shorter, stubbier, stronger metal screwdriver. But once I did that, I pushed up real hard right now. As you can see, I'm holding it up. And yeah, it should just come right down. And the tire should just fall right out. So that's the spare tire. Now Now that that's out, oh my gosh, I just got sand in my eyes. Now that that's out, kind of just wiggle that out. Look at that. Like that would work if I needed it. Not. Jeez, holy. So that's the spare tire. Triumph. You can tell somebody probably switched this out when we switched the tailgates, because these are Michelin's. But anyway, so yeah, let's see if I can get that strap back on so I don't drag it on the road with me. Oh, look at that. Look what came down. Some stuff, and look what was in this tire holder. Rocks. Oh yeah, I also sprayed WD-40 where the tire made a point of contact between the rubber and the metal, just in case, to like loosen any bonds that like melted on or something. But clearly I think that was the case, because if you look here, you can see like the tire really was held on tight right there to the tire. It might have been stuck. But anyway, yep, it definitely takes someone strong to get this rusty thing up. Look at that, it's just hanging there. So I think the way you put it back is kind of just turn it, and then so you turn this. Let's see if I can get it back. The real question is, can you get it back up? Looks like you kind of just wiggle it in there. Easier said than done, huh? Boom. And then, see that? And then you just take this and twist it. And there you go. There's your spare tire rack. It's just gonna wiggle here when I drive. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. I might just want to take it out entirely. But yeah, that is how you remove a spare tire on a Ford F-150 1993. So see you next time on the Brubeck channel.